Hey guys, this is Shannon with AVA Direct, and today we have an awesome reveal for you from our friends at AMD. The core wars have been going crazy, as you know, and Intel took the last one with the max amount of cores with the 7980XE 18 core. So AMD came back and said, no, we're not going to let that happen. So in front of you, we have the 32 core, 64 thread, 2990WX. As if that's not a mouthful, I didn't even mention the word Threadripper. So let's take that back. It's a 32 core, 64 thread, Threadripper 2990WX. Now you may ask, what does the WX mean? Well, unlike the standard 1950X, this one is basically double. It has basically more of everything. So it has more cores. It's based on second gen Ryzen. So you're going to see all the enhancements you saw with like 2700X, but on 4 dies. So with that, 32 cores, 64 threads, you got to ask, how's it going to perform? Well, to be honest, we cannot tell you right now. We can only unbox this processor and show you everything it comes with and all of its splendid glory within this awesome new box they created, just like the original Threadripper, but even more extreme. So now I know the suspense is killing you. We actually had to take a small break to take a look at this thing, and well, let me tell you, they make the instructions real clear. Threadripper, rip here. So we're gonna open this thing up. It's kind of like that, kind of like the new car feeling, but I feel more special about this than I do a new car. Wait a minute. Oh, it goes out. Sorry, AMD. I don't know how to follow directions. Open, slide. Ta-da! Wow, it actually looks really cool. Okay, what do we do here? Ah, there's a box. So this is the official unboxing due to the fact that we cannot officially discuss performance specs yet because it's really early. So we've seen some of this stuff with the original Threadripper. Basically saying, hey, you want to use the right motherboard for this. If you've got a Asetek AIO cooler, which will work, it comes with a Asetek bracket, so any of your EVGA, Cooler Master, or not even Cooler Master, but EVGA, Corsair, stuff like that, you can use that bracket on their coolers. It also includes the torque wrench to make sure you torque the socket down correctly, because this does fit a TR4 motherboard, so X399 boards. And we're still not able to get this out. This is going to be interesting. Okay, I don't think that's supposed to happen yet, or maybe it is. Hey, there we go. Wow, I feel like this is like surgery. Except I'm way more scared. I'd rather work on like a person than try to pull this processor out. And there you go. So not only is it huge and heavy like the original Threadripper, 1950X, but it has a lot more power, and I just know it. It's a little scary. Is there anything else? Any other toys in here? No, I think we're clear. So unfortunately with that, folks, we got to let you go with this. That was our unboxing of the awesome new 2990WX, 32 core, 64 threads of processing horsepower. We are going to have this thing up available for pre-sale, so be sure to check out the new AVA Direct workstation system based upon this, and be sure to like and subscribe to the video. Join our social media channels so you can keep up to date, because we are going to have another video coming out as soon as the wonderful embargo lifts that we have to follow, because our friends at AMD don't want all the performance information out quite yet. This is a very early pre-sale. You can get it pretty much exclusively through AVA Direct, and reach out to us. Let us know if you want us to build a custom system based on this brand new monster, just beastly processor, and we'll set something up for you. Otherwise, stay tuned, and we'll have some really extreme performance metrics for you coming up very soon. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to see other content from us, be sure to like or subscribe to all of our social media channels, including YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, so that we can bring you even more content and you can stay up to date on exactly what we're talking about, all of our tech news, live streams, and all the above. And please share with us anything you'd like to see in the future.